Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will get started to develop the code for tutorial post for our tutorial project website. And for that, we have discussed two requirements, the title and description. And for that, in this video tutorial, we will develop or code the model for information change. So come here in the models and click on add and click class. Now here you have to declare a class. So here is class with name tutorial tutorial post and hit enter. If you have seen my previous video tutorials, then I have created many different models for the different purposes. Now we are using this tutorial post to exchange the information between controller and view, and this model will help us to contain and to pass data. So here we will create a public attribute which is title. So title should be in string. So let's string title and create its getter setter. Now the second thing which is very important is the content. So the content can contain alphanumeric data, so it should also be in string. So let's copy this and paste here. Oops. Okay, so we have two entities right now, or two variables which can use to pass the data. Okay, now we need to discuss what we are going to create, because it is not visually clear and we don't get the idea behind this class. So this class will use in view which are we going to create by controller. So we don't use the default controller. We will create another controller because controller give us the user-friendly URL. Right now we have default controller, which means whenever we will open the website we have to use /default to access that. And now we are going to create another controller. So click add and go to controller, and now here we will use the empty controller and click add, and here we will use the name as post. So whenever we want to access our tutorial post, we will use our domain.com/post. So it will redirect us to here. By default we will use index page, in which we will create and update record. We will use tab based solution as we have developed in the previous video tutorials, and in the one tab we will create the post, and in the second tab we have a list of post or tutorials which we can easily edit from the front end, and we can delete, and we can in future having enhancement on that, like to bind each tutorial with the separate course. So I hope this video tutorial is informative. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel and keep connected.